So hi guys, welcome back. If you are new, my name is Makita. If you're oldie but a goodie, welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe. So today is the start of my weekly vlog. I'm starting at nighttime because I had so many errands to run today, and then I came back. I took a nap. I was so exhausted. It was raining, and you know when it rains, like that's the best time you get, well for me, that's the best time I get sleep. My aunt and I are about to go out for my last birthday celebration. My birthday was March 9th, and yeah, I just feel super loved, feel super celebrated, and yeah, we're wrapping it up. We are wrapping it up. Then it is my mom's birthday, then it's my dad's birthday, my great grandma's birthday. Like the birthdays are just boxing me left and right, but I'm grateful that I get to celebrate, you know, the people that I love, and they have gone to celebrate me. Leash is in the background, which is my aunt. Don't mind right here, it's just a whole bunch of stuff. The white ones?
Yeah.
All right, you want to tell the people anything?
This minute me look homeless, next minute me look cute.
What does Lady Gangster say? No, it's Amari. One thing you know, something.
When me cuteness ready.
Yeah. Hey, Amari's the queen. Yo. What song is that?
It's this one. Stone Love.
I want to go to that now. Lisha, guess who's coming? Jagged Edge. We should go.
Jagged Edge. What song you do?
Promise to me and you. That song I always play.
We are going for a film show.
But Little Kim and all of them will be there too.
Okay.
But I don't know. I only know that one song by Little Kim, Jump Off and the Lighter song.
No song by Little Kim.
You don't know Put Your Lighters Up? That was a jam.
It twists so.
And then she had to jump off.
But when Tyrese come no way.
I don't know one Tyrese song. Name one.
Me know one song.
You do not.
Of course. Tyrese have a voice there. Jesus.
I don't know one Tyrese song. Name one.
Me
exactly.
Tell her one. Wait till I remember. Me soon tell her one. Me know a couple line song them well. Yeah, Tyrese no me man, so me must know a song them.
And you can't name one?
Me can't remember you know what. Me know a couple line song them.
What kind of relationship is that?
You tell me.
I don't know one Tyrese song. I can tell. Name one movie that he's been in.
My Baby Boy.
Lisha, everybody knows Baby Boy, but think of a movie that nobody would know.
Fast and Furious.
Lisha, everybody knows that.
Listen, I'm my man. You know about him. You know.
Everybody knows that one.
Yeah.
You know my favorite movie with him in? That I was like, wow, such a good actor, Waist Deep. With Megan Good?
I don't know if I watch it one day.
Exactly. He's not your man.
A few man?
No.
Okay.
Yeah. You already know who my man is. Who's my man?
I'm your like.
No, I'm gonna go on a date with Sal.
You know?
Sal.
Which date with Sal?
Mom said I could go.
Sal? Remember say Sal can't live up here with one hand, so you know. No date now go with Sal. I'm going to date with Sal.
What a way you're fighting poor Sal down. Kids, are you wearing your jacket?
Oh,
the elevator's right here. Right here. I parked right where the elevator is. Guys, we will see you inside. You know, I saw Mom the other day and you and Mom looked alike. I was shocked. Because I never think you guys look alike. Today I thought me and Mom looked like very alike, which is rare. Let me snoop on his page.
What page? What page?
Yo, look how tiny Leash was. Oh, if it can focus. Look at her.
Give me.
Lisha, yo, you look like a different person. Lisha, look how this woman sent her kids to school with her wig on their head. What up, Blanca?
Why we look hungry and stressed out and tired and there's a picture of the girl?
One thing you know, with my cuteness ready for come out.
Look at my firm, strong legs in this.
Lisha, that doesn't even look like you.
May have some pierce. May have some pierce. Can we go? We ain't come to song in the car.
Let me do a snap. And then we can go. Do a snap too for yourself.
My phone no clear enough. So somebody can buy me my phone. My new phone.
Should I wear my glasses? Y'all, I brought my clear glasses. But they're clear, so they don't look no way. Not you.
I'm Ford.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm Ford money, girl.
Yeah. Y'all, do y'all like this look? Wait till y'all see this look. I think the glasses is too much. I don't like a lot of
fandangles.
Yeah, I don't. Like, I like to keep it very clean and clear.
Not too much. Just take a picture and then take it even.
You don't think this is too much? This is a lot.
And I'm scary and take a picture night and then you can.
Yeah, because I feel blind already.
You have to wear it. You just.
I cannot wait until I'm out the game. Married, at home, making cookies.
I'm making mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese.
Hey, mac and cheese tastes good.
I want to try like how that girl made it. I'm gonna try it. When should I try it? Mom said, did you cook? What? They're trying to tumble down cooking on you left, right, and center.
Cook.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes.
So good morning, guys. It is the next day. I had to wake up early to go to the doctor's with my dad. Now we are at the Spanish store. We're getting plantain and sawfish. And yeah, I got a pizza. A pizza from Pizza Hut, and then I'm going home. I need to film some videos tomorrow, so I need to like straighten out all that stuff. I'm gonna do a little try on haul for you guys when I get home. But last night was fun. Did I vlog that much? No, but you guys will get to see some stuff. And yeah, so right now I'm just here with dad. It is like so crazy because it's like you can get so sick. One day it's cold, one day it's hot. Good morning, guys.
Hey guys.
So today is a new vlog. We were running errands earlier. We went to go take in my pants, but nobody can take, well, we only went to one lady to take in my pants, and she couldn't because I have like a shoot that I'm planning in New York, and it's a struggle. Auntie's helping me, but it's a struggle. Isn't it a struggle?
It would work out.
Because just of these pants, like nobody can take them in. Well, one person couldn't take them in, and I feel not defeated, but now I'm scared that nobody else can take them in. But we have one more place, that we're gonna go. Thank you guys for all the comments on the last video. You guys really said you enjoyed the conversation and that we should do more, and we will. We just, I don't know, we always have conversations like that about random stuff. Yeah, and I did see a comment about a guy said that my aunt was right, like he was with someone and
give them the world and they still cheat.
Yeah, so for us, she just wasn't for you, okay? And that's okay. You definitely want to
move along.
Yeah,
life goes on.
It does. Yeah. And sometimes, you know, when things don't work out with people, it's God's protection. But don't feel bad or feel away. You're human, and you're obviously gonna be like, yo, I gave this person my love and they whatever, but just don't like regret the love that you give. That's on them, how they treated you. You know, you were, you know, a great person. So we'll definitely have more conversations like that, but we do on a random but yeah,
sure, me call, me no call no fall.
So yeah. So yeah, dating is super tough, but
me talk, that no mean say I me.
oh yeah, just a disclaimer, guys, we talk about a lot.
So that doesn't mean it's happening to me. We just talking randomly. Doesn't mean me I'm going through that or it's about me. It's just randomly. So it may come off to some people the wrong way. Take it up with God.
But you know what's so crazy?
Don't take it up with me.
The other day we were talking about getting waxing, and what did you say to me? That the girl on TikTok about waxing and like their experiences, and that had nothing to do with us. Remember when we were talking? So we talk about a lot of stuff. It's not like based on our life. We just talk about like, you know.
So if you come after some people the wrong way or they think it's about me, don't take it up with me. Take it up with God.
No, but we love you guys, so we're just letting you know.
And some people would think say, yeah, you talk about yourself, but you're not talking about yourself. You just talk randomly, you understand?
We're not out here.
You just talk.
Yeah, we talked about
man figure woman money.
Well, that is true. Okay, that was not.
We talk about so many things. That no mean
it was so much. I don't remember.
It's happening to you, or we just talk.
Whenever a man, preferably your own man, starts moving weird or acting slightly off in the way he's acting towards you, or change. You know, I have a speech thing with these braces. Oh, I just bit my tongue. Or changes up his pattern, there is almost always another female involved. Don't ask him, just intake this info and move accordingly. You think that's true? If a man starts acting different?
Yeah, sometimes, yeah.
It's another woman?
No, I don't necessarily must be another woman.
I don't believe that either.
Necessarily.
Unless we're new to the game, not true to the game. But it says almost always it's a new woman. I don't want your man. No, I don't want to keep you. That's not how the song goes. No, I don't want your man. No, I'm not gonna give you my number. That does not sound. Oh no, I don't want no scrubs. Wow.
Scrub is a guy that can get no love from me.
Here's the second pant.
What's yours?
I just can't wait until I have a team. I can't wait till I have a community of people and a team, because all this running around ain't for me. Ain't for me. Oh, let me show you this dress and we go.
Let me see dress passport.
Who had this dress on?
Never know that people not free to express what they want and talk what they want to talk.
Well, a lot of people.
Me never know that people.
What?
People not free to say they want what they want to say and express what they want to express. Eh? So some people make that be a problem to them.
Yeah, but I think when
you're not free to say what you want to express what you want to express. Eh?
In what term? Now I'm getting nervous. In what term?
You're nervous, sir.
In what term? Yeah, you're free to
All me can do this YouTube business, you know. Eh?
Why?
Me that end up no have no subscriber.
Why? People love you. Yeah, Lisha, I think you're free to express.
Because some of the things that you say sometimes some people take it offensive.
Oh yeah, but that's with everything. Yeah. But I think
YouTube people are gonna say good, people are gonna say bad. Understand? It's up to you, the person now. Or you deal with it. So if you say like, oh yeah, you deal with somebody want bad comments and something, you just ignore them.
Yeah, I just don't have the energy.
You understand? So YouTube are for people are gonna say good, people are gonna say bad. So
but that's with life. There's good and there's bad. But Lisha, if you are at a concert and the artist is like, you know, all these stink mouth people better keep their hands down or something, that's not gonna pinch a nerve or anything, because that has nothing. Right.
All right.
So I think that people that say something, they have something within themselves that, you know. So I'm just talking, and that's just for anybody that does social media and people are saying like you look a certain way,
you shouldn't have a certain way,
yeah, you shouldn't have this, you should do this, you should do that, that's an insecurity on themselves. I have never went on social media and saw something that I didn't like and felt the urge to say something to that person, or would I just moved along and went to the something,
mind your business.
Yeah, I went to something that I do like. And I've never, I don't know how some people will like just see your picture and comment the meanest things. I'm just like, who raised these people? Like, that is weird. So I don't know, people are weird out here. But
maybe could I say somebody put up them picture if they look good and comment bad comment funny. You don't do that.
I wouldn't care. You look good, you look bad, that's up to you. You know what I mean? I'm sure things that I wear, people are like, oh my gosh, I would never wear that or whatever. But I'm wearing it.
It's you, it's yours.
Yeah, it's mine. And some people will just be like, I don't know. I don't like it.
Everyone be sure you know like.
You love it or you like it?
I love it. It's something that crochet?
Yeah.
Not crochet really.
I knit. I think it's knit.
It's in though, right?
I think it's like see-through a little bit.
We're on G-string on that.
I could go on a little date with it. Like a date.
Good luck with that.
You know, when I'm talking about my life and people are saying some things under their breath, like I can't go on a date.
I didn't say you can't go on a date.
You said good luck with that.
But that doesn't mean good luck on your date.
That's not what you said, and that's not what you meant. So I can't go on a little date? Where are you going, to the prom?
You can go on a date.
Didn't I just get asked on a date the other day?
Black China used for your pum pum.
Last year and it did really good, so now they It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in that visions on replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think you wish you way, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I come through, I think I need it here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. On high from my rocket love. Gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you.
Hi people, happy Sunday. So you guys are going to see this weekly vlog actually today at 7, but I'm popping in because I tried to film a video and it didn't work out, so I'm gonna try again on Tuesday. And I don't know if I updated you guys in the previous video, but I did find somebody to alter my pants. I'm so excited. She pinned me, and they're baggy, but the style of the pants, you can wear them baggy. So baby, I'm so excited. And then, you know, I'm gonna try them on when I pick them up tomorrow, which is Monday. And if it looks good, I'm gonna let her alter this dress that I got. It looks so cute. It's like a maxi, but not a maxi dress. And the colors are so pretty. It's so beautiful. I love it. And I found it for a steal. Yeah, tomorrow my mom comes back from Jamaica. I miss her, but she definitely needed to go handle some business and see my great grandma, which she's doing a lot better. So thank you guys so much for the prayers and the well wishes. I really appreciate that. She's doing a lot better. She looks so beautiful. My aunt's friend sent her a video of her when she went to a funeral, and she looks so cute in her black and white. That's my baby. So I tried to film a video, but I also had like a conversation like with one of like my friends, and this particular friend, I'm sure we all have friends for certain things. This friend, we like always talk about like our goals and everything, which I really love that I have that relationship with her. And when like I wrote out like my goals and stuff, it's like I haven't been working on like the immediate things to flourish my goals. And I think a lot of people put things on for later, and I don't want to do that anymore. And I'm one of those people. There are certain things that I want, and I don't know, God has put it on my heart. So he must have put it on my heart for a reason. So those are the things that I'm focusing on, because we're in the first quarter is almost over. And we're in March. So it's like literally I have mapped out April. I have mapped out, don't mind my finger, my nail cracked, and I had to wrap it with a band-aid. I'm trying to save it to go to the nail salon tomorrow morning because I couldn't make it today. I'm trying to, I literally planned out April. I'm working on May right now, like just of my goals, because I've just like been playing with myself, and I literally have just been sleeping on myself, and that is the worst thing you can do. Like Kamora Lee Simmons said, I forget, don't quote me, the quote goes like, if you don't become the biggest something, then you're, you know, doing yourself a disservice. And that's just to say, like, if you want to do something, go for it. Because I have realized that there's a lot of people out here less qualified, and that's no dig at anybody, but less qualified doing something that you could do. And prime example, we just saw, you know, the first Black woman being able to like sit on the Supreme Court. She's overqualified, and there's people that are there that don't have the qualifications that she has, and look how hard they're fighting against her and so many things, you know what I mean? So there's people in positions that are less qualified than you, and you know what the difference is? They believed in them. And you know what the difference is? They believed in themselves and went for it, and look where they are. So if you have something that is on your heart, go for it 100%. Don't go for it 75, 95, go for it 100%. So with that being said, I don't know if some of you guys have been with me since the beginning of time, but I was like heavily into fashion blogging. In high school, I was like blogging like crazy. I ended up applying to Teen Vogue Fashion U. With my blog, I got it. I landed internships with Since 17 magazine, Vanity Fair. Like I was heavy into you know, the fashion world. I wanted to be a fashion journalist, like so many dreams. And I think over time, you know, you kind of put yourself on the back burner and you're just like, okay, I'm going to go for this career because long term, you know, the money's going to be great. And yeah, but what if the money can be great and you love what you do as well? So that's where I am. I think, you know, after the pandemic, well, we're still in it, but in the height of the pandemic, you kind of saw that. Like, one of my main goals is I want to work from home full time, which I've done it for quite a while. I told you guys I'm going back to corporate for a little bit, but I've been working from home. Like, I've been working for myself, but I need to increase my income. So for me to do that, I just have to work. I'm gonna try and just work the summer and try to make as much money as possible and then go from there. But that's where I am. Like, I'm getting back into, you know, the fashion world, and it's kind of scary because social media is can be relentless sometimes. But yeah, anyways, if you guys want to, I created a new Instagram and everything, so I'll put it down in the description box. It's just makitakerr.co if you guys want to follow my new Instagram. I'll be posting like all my fashion stuff over there. But yeah, so go after your dreams, guys, and that's what I'm gonna do. I have a number in my head that I want to make, and I've put it on my vision board. I have it all over and I really want to make it. And yeah, I know I can do it. It's just like on my heart. And I think in life, what separates a lot of us when it comes to your love, your creativity, your goals, your dreams, your aspirations, all of that, plus more in one, is when it gets hard, a lot of us, we pull back. And then the ones that do not pull back and don't stop, those are the one that you see the longevity in them. And my friend sent me this quote, and I will leave you with this. And she sent me this, which I don't know who says this quote. This is not my quote. And she was like, for you to be great, you have to consistently be good. For you to be great, you have to be consistently good. Mind blown. It doesn't take for you to be remarkable. It doesn't take you to be unique. Even those characteristics are wonderful and sets you apart. You can be magnificent, you can be great all you want, you can be unique all you want, but if you're not consistently doing something, you'll never be great. And I love that. Like, you just have to be consistent. So my word for you guys today, for the week, is to be consistent in the things that you love and the things that you want to pursue. Don't let up. Keep on the gas. Floor that bad boy. Like, just go for it. And I am taking the advice that I'm giving you guys as well. Don't let up. Don't take no. A no is not always a rejection. It just might be a redirection of something. So, and give yourself grace as well. I love you guys so much. I hope you are celebrated every day, including today. You deserve it. Have an amazing week. Have an amazing day. Have an amazing month. And I will see you guys in my next weekly vlog. Well, you'll see my mom tomorrow when I pick her up from the airport with my dad. Have an amazing day.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's
something about the way you stare into my eyes.